Just doing an oil change, oil and filter change on my dad's Land Rover. It's done 130,000 miles. I've just taken the top off before I've done anything. I'm about to drain the oil, and all this foam's like disintegrated everywhere. So I'm going to try and clean this up before, because that's the oil filter. I looked on the few, and the American one seems to be underneath on an actual cooler, which is obviously hotter. So I don't know why they did it on this though, but it's there, and it's got all this disintegrated rubber around it. I dread to think the last time whoever did it, but then at the same time, if it's a mechanic, they probably wouldn't clean it anyway. Because it is okay. I haven't even looked at it. Stay with it. Cool. Right, let's get twisting. Just taken off the bottom sump, this sump protection plate. It's 13 mil bolts. Fairly easy, very heavy, more heavy than I thought, but I don't know, 10 kilos, something like that. And I believe the drain plug is also different. The American one seems to be, I don't know, he said it was discovery free. This is where, oops, that's it, smashed the camera. This is the wrong can, isn't it? Yeah, this is the wrong can. Oh well, we'll wing it. I don't usually do it, but twist, man, twist. Oh, that bald tyre. It's got a slow puncture as well. It won't go all the way up, but it's in lifting and off-road settings, which seems hasn't collapsed or anything. Oh, let's say get dirt in my eye. Hasn't collapsed or anything, like gone down on me. I did watch it for a good amount of time, kind of expecting it to go down on me and crush me, but they're just there for caution, got them on the other side. Yeah, something's different. Oh, it feels very gritty. When are we at the end? I think that. Ooh, I'm pushing. Right, 3, 2, 1. Bit messy, but hey. Oily tool. God, don't do that. The wind has to kick in now, doesn't it? Let's do it at the top. God. I don't think it's a one unit. I assume this is just going to be a... Oh God. Okay, I don't know where that's pissing on, but... Ah! Is that the rubber? I think that's the rubber seal, isn't it, to replace? I can't look down there. I might have to stand on the box. I'm just saying. I think I'm just spinning it like a spanner. So let's just there's some holes in there. Let's get a screwdriver, really thin on these notches. There we go. Come on. I don't get it. I don't get it, son. Come on. There's nothing else to undo. It's properly in there. I'm not sure, I'm probably doing something wrong, but I've never done one of these sodding filters before. Oh no, oh no, good. Someone's had my pliers. Oh! You can state of that. Don't need a screwdriver. Do that. Right, stay. It looks a bit twisted actually still. Oh no. No, that's good. Okay. And then we have that to fit in here. Right. And that just satisfying click. Right, we'll leave that there for now. We'll grab our 13. It's tight. Oh dear, it's made a bit of a dribble, isn't it? Oh. And this is where people are like, you should have replaced the slump plug with a new seal. It's very important, although saying that looks like it hasn't got a washer on it. I don't know, I've done quite a few oil changes, not on this, but don't over tighten it. I've never had any problems. I don't know. I've never had a sump plug leak on me after an oil change. That's a load of bollocks. And we're just gonna, so we've got it just tight there, and I'm just gonna, I don't know what the torque setting is in it, was fairly tight, so we're just gonna bring it up to there. That's it. Job done. We'll have you. Oh, that's a lot of water. We're looking into it and doing a you can get with this gearbox, is off a Z4, the automatic. You can change the sump so it's the lowest sump, and we're going to look at doing that, because otherwise to do, I was going to look down there, wouldn't I? I need a stool. Oh, it goes on a spike. Right, okay. Make sure that's nice and. I didn't even know there's that much more to do it. Apparently so. Oh. Cool. Already it was about 4 stuff in. This is where it's like, no, that's the something else pouring filler. I'm shocked it's on 530, but maybe it's because this is diesel, I don't know. It's very thin. And it's fully synthetic. It's great, thanks for the free. Oh, God. Right, come on. Oh, them pouring skills. X10.